What's up, my G Squad? Welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Welcome to our Vlogtober series. We are collaborating with my girl, Lazy Cookin Sabrina. Her link will be in the description box of every video, and we're pushing out these videos every day during the month of October, so stay tuned. Welcome back. We are at the stove now. You guys just saw me season up, pound out and season up the chicken breast. And so what I'm gonna do is over here, you can't see it, but I have 3 little stations. I have one with flour. I have one with let's so they can see. I have one with flour, which is right here, and we just decided to use our foil pans because it's easy cleanup. Let the church say easy cleanup.
Easy cleanup.
And we have some eggs. We broke 3 eggs and put a little bit of water in here. And scrambled it up real good. And then in this one we have some breadcrumbs. These are Italian style breadcrumbs, so they are nice and seasoned already. And so in our pan over here, back to the pan, we're gonna add some oil to the pan. And it's just gonna be enough so that we can brown up our chicken. Remember, you sliced it and you pounded it out already. So you made it pretty thin, which means it's not gonna take long to cook. It's not going to take long at all to cook. So let's just add our oil. I definitely cannot tell you how much oil this is. I know this is some olive oil because I smell it. I just grabbed what I saw first right here, sitting here. What is a little pencil? It was for, okay. All right, so let's start to coat. We're gonna coat using our flour first. Just go ahead and throw one of these bad boys in there. Get it nice and coated. And you wanna shake off the excess. And that's what you want it to look like. Then we're gonna dip it in our egg and water mixture. Try to drip off as much as you can. And then into your breadcrumbs. And this is where you want to make sure it's coated really nicely. We have our oil on a high heat at first, but I just turned it down to like a medium high. And make sure it gets coated. And I'm going to toss it to the side here because I don't want to go in with just one. And then we're just going to repeat the same steps. Flour, shake off excess, egg mixture, breadcrumbs, nicely coated. This is our chicken parmesan, or cheesy chicken parmesan is what I normally call it. Nice and coated, and into the oil. Put your nice little sizzle on there. You don't want to cook it on high because you still want to cook the chicken at least part of the way so that we can finish it. We're going to be finishing it off in the oven. Alright guys, so we are back. We have cooked all of our, let me go ahead and get this garlic in here so I can show you guys what we're doing. We cooked all of our chicken. I'm putting a couple tablespoons of garlic in that same pan. We're using the same pan. And it got a little bit of olive oil in it. And I'm going to also add in a few tablespoons of real butter, okay, of real butter. And what we're gonna do, we have our noodles that's sitting over here. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have some spaghetti noodles, which we were supposed to be using angel hair pasta. I just thought about that. So we got some spaghetti noodles that we boiled until they're al dente in some salted water. And what we want to do here is just get up all of those little brown bits there, which is the dark part of this, and we're just going to toss that this spaghetti right into, turn it on medium heat so we don't want to burn our garlic up. And we're just going to toss this around, this spaghetti around right in there. Just toss it around. Alright you guys, so we are back. Here is the finished product for the chicken breast that we pounded out. and we bread it nicely and fry it up with a little olive oil. Make sure that if you, one of the things I wanted to say is that if you are getting low on your olive oil because it's sucking it up, just add a little bit more. You know, you don't want it to be dry. So I have a few pieces of smoked provolone here, smoked provolone cheese. I'm only going to top a couple of these with the smoked provolone because that's all I have is a couple left. Put your sliced smoked provolone on there, but I'm also going to add some Italian Parmesan to it. Let me see, can you see that bag? Just some Italian Parmesan. Most of the time you add mozzarella to this, but we're not doing it because we're not everybody. I missed this stuff. That's what we're doing. I done messed up, you guys. Another flub. Hey, she messes up. I have right here in this bowl some diced tomatoes I told you guys about. And a spoon, I heated them up for about a minute. And you just want to top your chicken. This is the part where you can use tomato sauce. If you have tomato sauce, use that. And we're just topping our chicken with the tomato sauce. Make sure I get under here. You don't need a lot at all to top it with. That's it and that's all. Put that smoked provolone on those two, because again, that's what I have right there. But I'm gonna also top it with this Italian style shredded Parmesan cheese. If you have cheddar cheese you want to mix with this is where you get creative and you start, you know, hey, if you guys like smoked Gouda and blue cheese and all of that, hey, this is where you get creative right here. And you start adding the cheeses. Whatever cheese floats your boat, that's what you put on it. And I'm just gonna cover these with some Italian Parmesan cheese. It's the shredded kind. And we're gonna make it curdy with some parsley. And this is going in the oven on 350 until your cheese is nice and melted. So, and it's gonna be uncovered. So, let's say maybe 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your oven, all right? I'll be right back and I will show you the finished product. So we are back with this deliciousness, y'all. Look at these chicken parmesan. Look, take a look at it. Here's the two with the smoked provolone and the Italian cheese shredded parmesan, and the rest just have the Italian shredded parmesan on them. I'm gonna take them and cover them up. That looks absolutely divine. So the next time we're gonna show you what it looks like all plated up on the bed of garlic spaghetti that we have, and it's going to be paired with a spinach and tomato salad with our candied pecans, and yeah. So if you want to see more videos like this and you want to continue to support this channel, make sure you click like, share, and subscribe. Click click on your post notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload one of our delicious videos. And we will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. See you later, guys.